Hey guys, it's February 11, 2013. We're here in Chicago. As you can see, we have snow everywhere. It's cold. It's about 15-20 degrees. This video is for the Chrysler outboard motor we have for sale on Craigslist. We got a little setup going here with some water, and we got it opened up so you can see how it starts. There it is. It was completely rebuilt. We have receipts. It was done not too long ago, and it comes with the tanks, and there it is, you can see. Dale lang. So it's running like a champ. Looks like with the both the cover on. You see it's very nice shape. There you have it. Give me a call, let me know.